Tired of crooked holes ruining your projects? Want to drill perfectly straight, repeatable holes every single time? Well, today you're going to master the drill press. By the end of this video, you'll be drilling like a pro, getting clean, precise results that will take your work to the next level. Let's get started. First things first, safety. Always wear your safety glasses. No excuses. Loose clothing, jewelry, or gloves are a big no-no around a drill press. They can get caught in the moving parts. Make sure your hair is tied back if it's long. And finally, always know where your emergency stop button is. Got it? Good. Now, let's talk about the machine itself. This is the chuck, where you insert the drill bit. You'll use a chuck key to tighten it. Make sure you tighten all 3 holes for a secure grip. And always remove the chuck key before you turn the machine on. Leaving it in is one of the most common and dangerous mistakes. This is the depth stop. It's a game changer for drilling multiple holes to the exact same depth. You lower the bit to the desired depth, and then you lock the stop in place. Now, every hole you drill will be identical. Super useful for joinery or hardware installation. The table is where you secure your workpiece. Never, and I mean never, hold your workpiece just with your hands. Even small pieces can be ripped from your grasp and sent flying. Always use clamps. For smaller pieces, a drill press vise is your best friend. For larger boards, use F-clamps or quick clamps to secure the piece firmly to the table. A stable workpiece is a safe workpiece, and it's the key to a clean hole. Let's talk about speed. Drill presses have adjustable speeds, usually by moving a belt on a set of pulleys inside the top cover. The general rule is, the larger the drill bit, the slower the speed. And for metal, you always want to go slower than for wood. A quick search online for a drill press speed chart will give you specific recommendations for different materials and bit sizes. Using the wrong speed can burn your wood, dull your bit, or even be dangerous. So take a minute to set the correct speed. Okay. Let's drill our first hole. We've got our safety glasses on. Our workpiece is securely clamped to the table. We've selected the right bit, tightened it in the chuck, and removed the key. We've set the correct speed for our material. Now, position the workpiece so the tip of the drill bit is perfectly aligned with your mark. You can do this by lowering the bit with the power off. Once you're aligned, turn the machine on. Apply steady, even pressure on the handle to lower the bit into the wood. Don't force it. Let the tool do the work. If you're drilling a deep hole, it's a good practice to peck drill. That means drilling a little bit, pulling the bit out to clear the wood chips, and then continuing. This prevents the bit from overheating and helps clear the debris, giving you a cleaner cut. Once you're through the material, or have reached your depth stop, smoothly raise the bit back up and then turn off the power. Wait for the bit to stop spinning completely before you unclamp your workpiece or clear away any chips. And there you have it, a perfect straight hole. Let's cover a few common problems. If you're getting a lot of tear out on the back of your workpiece, it's because the wood fibers have nowhere to go. The solution? Use a sacrificial piece of scrap wood underneath your workpiece. This backer board supports the fibers as the bit exits, giving you a perfectly clean hole on both sides. What if your bit seems to walk or wander when you start drilling? This usually happens on metal or very hard woods. To prevent this, use a center punch to create a small dimple where you want to drill. The tip of the drill bit will sit in this dimple and won't be able to wander off course. Another pro tip: for large holes, don't just go for it with a huge bit. Start by drilling a smaller pilot hole first, then switch to your larger bit. The pilot hole will guide the larger bit, reducing the strain on the machine and giving you a much cleaner and more accurate result. This is especially important when using Forstner bits or hole saws. Let's quickly recap the key steps for success. 1. Safety first, glasses on, no loose items. 2. Secure your workpiece with clamps, never handhold. 3. Choose the right bit and set the correct speed. 4. Use a backer board to prevent tear out. And 5. Apply steady pressure and let the machine do the work. Mastering the drill press is all about following these simple, safe procedures. It's a fantastic tool that opens up a world of precision in your projects. Once you get comfortable with it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. I hope this guide was helpful. If you learned something new, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And for more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Do you have any drill press tips of your own? Share them in the comments below. I'd love to read them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.